Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by signing in and setting clear goals so the website can deliver precise results. Once logged in, choose 1 to 3 outcomes you want. Next, connect necessary tools, grant mic or camera permissions, and upload any reference files. While you do that, pick a template or mode that matches your task so the system applies the right models. Make sure to skim available privacy settings and adjust data sharing. This prevents surprises and keeps your results relevant from the first query. Once your page is ready, focus on crafting effective inputs. Give the AI examples, clear constraints, and the desired output format so it learns the pattern. Then tune model controls lower temperature for factual text or raise it for creative drafts, and set output length limits to avoid rambling. Meanwhile, organize assets into folders and tag versions to track changes. This keeps iterations manageable. If you plan automation, chain steps into a workflow and test each node to finish. Thoroughly review the AI output and perform targeted edits so the result matches your goals. You control quality by iterating prompts and small corrections. Once satisfied, export in the required format, PDF for sharing, docx for editing, or use the API for integration. If something breaks, first refresh the page and rerun the prompt, then check quota and network limits. If problems persist, reduce request size or clear cache before contacting support with logs and steps to reproduce the issue.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.